built-in magnetic card reader. As I said earlier, that we can use a magnetic card or ID cards for the waiters, the ladies, and the managers also, or anyone who will use the POS system. So we also brought a pair of POS printers. This one will serve as, for our demo, this one will serve as the receipt printer, and then the other one will serve as the kitchen printer. So that orders from entered by the user, by the waiters, will automatically print to the remote printer. So first I will discuss the front-end system. Basically we'll need there are two ways to input the code. So each user must have his unique password for the accountability of every transaction made within the system. So first we can either click or press the code, but for security reasons we suggest to use the magnetic cards, because no one can know your code. So we just swipe the card, and then it will go to the order taking screen. Well, it depends upon the user level. For the waiters, it will automatically go to the selection, to the
bar,
yes,
bar table. But for example, not all the waiters have permanent job here, right? We have OJT or something, you know.
For that, we will use the same card, but we will transfer the code. So basically, we change the name or add another user.
Who changed the name? We changed the name.
You changed the name.
Okay.
So the management, manager.
So we can edit the password and everything.
Yes, yes, sir. That is being done at the back office system, which I will later discuss to you.
Okay.
So first, we have the locations here. These are the group of tables, or the rooms. For example, you have, I notice you have a D section, C section.
Yes.
Basically, these are the sections.
Yes, yes.
And as you click a section, you will notice that the tables. These are the tables.
The table display is like this.
Yes,
it's not like the floor map. No.
Sir.
Okay.
To make it simpler.
Yes,
sir.
I will like this, the floor mat. You have something like that?
We can do that, sir, but for an additional charge.
For the
layout.
For the layouting.
For the layout.
Can you give me a quotation also for that?
Yeah.
Or is included in the package?
No, we have to check. For example, this one, we have to get your layout.
Yes.
And determine how many amount of time we will able to create.
I can send you by email the layout of, so you can give me a quotation, a proper quotation, right? Because we have a map, floor map. Okay.
So as you notice, we can there are blue colored buttons here, or blue colored tables. That means that those tables are occupied. For example, I select a desk area, or let's say desk 1. And
D1, for example.
D1, for example, D1. So you first we encode the number of guests or the group. So
correct.
Let's say 2, and then later you can encode the other information later. So for example, for the normal food and beverage orders, so you just select for example, we have two pages. The first page is for the categories or the departments, and then the other one, the next page is for the actual menu item. For example, if you select chicken, it will display all the items under the chicken category. So, for example, you order a chicken steak or chicken basket, and then press back to return to the menu selection or the department selection. For example, you ordered some brandy for shot. Select, click back to return beef, caldereta, and then after placing the initial orders, you just press save orders, and then it will print simultaneously. First, it will print the order slip, which will be signed by the guest this will be given to the guests, and they will sign
Confirmation.
it for the confirmation of that they
Correct.
took those orders.
That
And
they received that particular order.
yeah, and after that, we also have a printout for the food for the kitchen. So
So this is for the order.
for the orders. Yeah, this one will
For
be
the chef to
prepared by the
prepare.
chef.
Okay.
Yes. So for the waiters, it will return back to the login screen. So we just swipe again, and then return to the original screen. So as you can see, the D1 is now occupied. It's colored
So we're gonna
blue.
have also ladies drink and
Yes.
everything, right?
So to get back to the orders, you just select the D1 and then press OK, and then
Antayin ng time in.
for extra services, what you call there's time services or extra what you call that
For
Per
the
time.
GRO.
services,
Time services.
time
time services
Because
yeah.
it's actually per time.
Per
Yeah.
time, yes sir. So we have a department here named time in. So and then on that department we have a selection of services or
Type.
time types. You just select the item. For example, you press solo. Press solo is the name of the service, and then you select you enter the GRO or the code of the lady. So
Or I can just put the name. It's more, or I have to put a code.
we suggest you give each lady a card. We're in
So
so that
they're gonna be drunk. They're gonna lose that car, man.
Basically.
yes. So you just enter the code for the code, and then we'll show the name.
But we're gonna have option like, for example, or we put it by car or manually.
You can input manually.
Manually.
Yeah,
Okay.
manually.
Yeah, it's okay.
The code manual.
So and then
So they're gonna get drunk. They're gonna lose.
Yeah, basically. I know that.
and then also the manager, the floor manager. So if you give
Who
commission,
handles that
who
particular.
handles the lady.
Okay.
After after you enter the basic information, you just press enter and then OK. And then after click to save. So it will again print the time in slip. For the F&B, you have order slip. For the
Time in sleep.
time in slip, it indicates the name and the service or the time item. So let's return to the.
Dila. We just wait for her. Okay.
Okay, sir. She would notice you have a red colored item or line item here. That means that it is a
it's
service
running.
which
It's
is
running
running.
out. Yes. Okay.
The time is running.
Time's running. So
Accumulating.
So it is automatic. It will auto compute for the running cost or running amount. So if you want to time out, to check out that lady, you just enter the timeout. So for example, let's say 5:40 p.m. and then OK. And then as we see, click the save button, it will again print the time in slip, but this time it has a timeout info. So that means that the service is finished. Yeah. So same goes with some services or for the drinks, for the ladies drinks. For example, we have an LD here, and then we name that based on your coding or naming. So let's say an RC, and then it will ask again automatically ask for the lady or the girl, and then press save. So it will again print the slip.
Which one is that? Heartbeat one? Price?
Sir?
What?
This is heartbeat prices?
Yeah, it's a sample price.
Sample price only, sir.
I don't think so. Very expensive heartbeat.
So
Okay.
so the okay, so login again. So this is applicable. I'm swiping the card every now and then because it's for the security reason. So that after the waiter places his order, it will automatically go back to the main screen. So that if another waiter goes in to punch in his order, it will be accounted to him.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So,
For example, to cancel, only the manager can cancel, right?
Yeah. If you want to cancel the girl or you want to
Cancel some order.
orders,
Yes, sir.
you cancel it.
for cancel orders, you just for example, if it is a newly entered item, you just press void item, but it has authorization code.
Correct.
Depending on the level of the user. If it's a manager, it will no longer ask for that. So basically, that's the basic order taking screen of the system. So then we have also the main screen, the main menu for the supervisor or manager manager modules. For example, if you cancel transaction, for example, if we have already settled this transaction and you want to void that, to cancel that for any reason, you just go to that. So I will return to the guest location entry, and I will show you what the billing slip looks like. So you just select the table and then print billing and then OK. And then it will print the billing slip which will be given to the guests so that they know how much they would pay.
The running total.
The running total. If they want to see
So this is not the final bill. It's just the
final
running.
billing. If I want to bill check out,
This is the bill out.
yes, the
That's
bill out.
the
bill
bill
out.
out. Yes, sir.
Or the running total, right?
Yep. Running orders.
Settle the transaction, you just click the payment and then select the payment types from the types of payment you accept. So these are samples, so you can put those whatever payment types you accept. So let's say you give 5,000 pesos and then okay. So this will it will print. This will show the change and will print the official receipt. So this is the final receipt. So and leaves the table now vacant. This is the sample facial receipt. There are other functions like you give discounts or you have an automatic service charge or we already have those features in this system. And also one good feature of the system is that you can put special instructions for certain orders. For example, if the customer orders for a steak and he wanted medium rare, you can put that. So for example, he ordered blue eyes and then he said it's less ice. So you can do that, and then the printer, the order slip will print the special instruction right below the order. So you know how what will be done to that order.
So this basically we're gonna, for example, all the order slips, we're
Just
gonna
file it.
You
file
file
it
it.
in, right?
And
And like we do usually, right?
Yes.
But just using this. Okay.
and upon billing out,
And then upon billing out, you just
attach it.
attach it so that they will counter check.
And for example, in the private dance, I want maybe somebody to have just a remote,
okay.
and it
You just
will-
input the name of
the name, yes, and
of the GRO and how many
dances,
dances, yes, the quantity.
and then it's gonna it will be here, for example, right, where we're gonna count them. But can we have to no wait I'm just thinking. So one of these terminal, if I have one person here who control what's going on, not the cashier. The cashier is just only taking care of to collect that,
Collect the payment.
the
Yes.
payments, correct?
Yeah.
But this person here who is running, I wanna know, this person has to check what is the running bills of all the tables.
Running bills. Yeah, they can
They can check,
They can check
only with this, right?
Well, yeah.
And they can basically manage